This is our session number 16. We are going to discuss about the polygon and polygon commands. Generally, what is meant by polygon? Poly in the sense more than 3 side object, it is called polygon. Okay, triangle, hexagon, pentagon, square, rectangle, octagon. So these are the examples of the polygon. Using the AutoCAD command, we are going to construct the regular polygon. That means the polygon command creates the equilateral closed polygon. Okay. The beauty of AutoCAD is that using AutoCAD command, we can create the polygon of sizes from 3 to 1024 sides. Okay. Generally, how we will draw a polygon on the paper? What we do? The simplest way is first draw the circle. Divide the circle into number of pieces based on how many sides we want. Okay. And we will connect all the vertex points. We will get the regular equilateral closed polygon. Okay. In the similar way, we can get 5 sides, 8 sides, 10 sides, 12 sides. This is the simplest way of drawing the polygon on the paper. Another way, finding the angle using the protractor, we can draw the polygon. Okay. In AutoCAD, we are going to use this circular method. Another one is called edge method. Default in AutoCAD, polygon command has a circular method. We are going to draw a polygon using the circle as a base. That means we are going to construct the polygon in two ways. One is inscribed in circle, another one is circumscribed about the circle. That means what? We can draw a polygon which fits inside the circle or which fits outside the circle. Okay, this is called inscribed in circle and circumscribed about the circle. The difference is what here? Inside in circle in the sense the polygon vertex points will act as the circumference point of the circle. Okay. Circumscribed about the circle in the sense the polygon will act as a tangent for the circle. See, every edge is tangent for the circle. That is a difference. Okay. Next method is edge method. Here we will define the one edge of the polygon. Okay. So based on that, all other edges will be get constructed in the same size. Okay. Only two methods are there. One is circular method, another one is edge method. Okay. Go to the AutoCAD. There are many panels are there. Under the draw panel, if you click this rectangle icon, we will get polygon as well as rectangle. Okay. Just click this polygon, we will get the polygon command. See here, polygon. Okay, right. Initially, it will ask how many sides we want to construct. Let me go for 5 sides. It is asking that specify center of polygon. Generally, the center will come for circle or arc. But in polygon command, the option is coming for center of the polygon. That means what? We are going to construct the polygon using the circular method. Okay. So let me choose somewhere on the screen that given. Now there are two options. Enter an option in circle or about the circle. The default option is I here. Let it be I. Now it is asking the radius of the circle. Let me give radius 25. Now we drawn the polygon with the radius 25. But we did not get circle. Why? Because we are constructing the polygon using the circular method. Then if you draw a circle separately and superimpose with this polygon, we can check whether we got inside circle or outside the circle. How can we draw the circle exactly in the center point? We know that using the object snap, right? Object snap, use geometric center. Okay. Now go for the circle. Just I am getting the geometric center. What is the radius we gave? 25, right? So this is the circle 25. Okay. Now I construct the polygon inside the circle. That means every vertex point of the polygon will be lying on the circumference of the circle. Now the similar way, let me go for polygon, same 5 sides, center I am giving here. Now I am choosing the circumscribed about the circle option, same radius I am giving. I got the polygon. Let me draw the circle and check from the geometric center. I'm going to draw the radius of circle 25. Now see here, this is our circumscribed about circle. Every side of the polygon will act as the tangent for the circle. Okay, right. Here you observe that both the circle has the same size, but polygon is different. If you construct inside the circle, the polygon size will be small. If you construct the outside the circle, the polygon size will be big. Whether this will have a 25 or this will have a 25. Can we check now? You see here, both the polygon not having 25. See here, the first one inscribed in circle has the length of 29.39. Circumscribed about the circle has the length of 36, not having 25. But I need a polygon of side 25. What I have to do now? I have to use edge method. I am going to specify the length of the one edge of the polygon. The same length will be followed in all other edges of the same polygon. Okay? Right. I am going to choose edge. Now I am going to give the first point. Just move the mouse and see, if you increase the second point, all other edges also, it is relatively increasing. Okay. Now I am going to give at 25 in the direction of 0. First 2 points I am giving. So this is 25 I gave, 5 sides I given. So all 5 sides will have same length 25 only. Okay. Right. So from this we can understand, if you want a specified size of polygon, you have to use edge method. Or if you want to approximate size within this confined area, then I can go for inscribed or circumscribed. Okay, right. Now I am going to tell you the beauty of this polygon command. Now I am going to construct the polygon, 6 sides. Okay, center of the polygon I am going to give now. Inscribed in circle I am using. Okay, same radius I am giving 25. Okay, let me draw the circle radius 25. See here, 6 sides, radius is 25. Let me check the size of this polygon. This will have exactly same size of the circle. So what I am coming to say, only the hexagonal polygon will have the same length of the circle radius. Okay, try to construct the same 6 sides. Okay, circumscribe about the circle, radius 25. Try to draw the circle, radius 25. Check the size, it will be more than the 25. Okay, right. So now let me go for some exercise. So based on the polygon command, we are going to draw this exercise. Okay, the circle size is given, diameter 30. Using this I am going to construct. Okay, and the side view of this component is 12, 30. Polygon, 6 sides, center of the polygon, inscribed in circle, the radius is 15. Okay, construct the circle 15. Now I am going to draw the object exactly here. Okay, from here at 8 in the direction of 0. So 12 minus 8, 4 mm, each side 2 mm, 2 mm. The similar way, height 30 minus 26, so remaining is 4 mm, each side 2 mm, 2 mm. So 2 cross 2, it is a chamfer. So what I am going to do now, I am going to use relative method to draw this one. So at x is 2, comma y is 2. Okay, from here at 26 in the direction of 90, at x is minus 2, y is 2. Then from here 8 mm. Okay, similarly at x is minus 2, y is minus 2, and 26 and close. Just connect these vertex points. Similarly, you are going to do this drawing as a practice using the polygon command. Okay, this is the end of section number 16, polygon command. Next session we are going to discuss about the rectangle command. Thank you.